सपनों की।
Give me freedom.
Hello students, welcome to Eduara and this is Professor Arpan and today we'll start with some basic of maths. Let's learn one more concept about basic of maths and that concept is about HCF and LCM. So, what is HCF? So students, HCF is nothing but the highest common factor between any two or more numbers or algebraic expressions. When dealing only with numbers, it is also called as greatest common divisor, that is GCD. We will solve one example based on HCF, but before that, let's see what is LCM. So students, LCM is nothing but the least common multiple of two or more numbers or algebraic expressions. Now students, the product of HCF and LCM of two numbers or two expressions is equal to the product of the numbers. Now students, the last part is, let's say LCM of A by B, P by Q, L by M is equal to LCM of A, P, L upon HCF of B, Q, M. So students, let us take an example and check what is LCM and what is HCF. So let's say there are two numbers, that is 24 and 36. So when we find factors of 24, we get 2, 2, 2, 3. And factors of 36, we get 2, 2, 3, 3. Now in this case students, the HCF of 12 and 36 is 12, that is the highest common factor. Now students, let us find out how can we find LCM. So students, let's say what are the multiples of 3? Now students, multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, similarly up to infinity. Now students, what are multiples of 5? So let's say the multiples of 5 are 5 itself, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 up to some infinity. So students, the LCM of 3 and 5 is nothing but 15. So this is how we find HCF and LCM. Now students, let's move on to the next part about basic of mathematics, and that part is intervals. So students, what are intervals? So intervals are the collection of all the numbers between any two real numbers. Interval is basically a subset of R, that is the set of all real numbers, and are commonly used in solving inequalities. So students, if A and B belongs to R such that A is less than B, then we can define four types of intervals as following.